Minister of Enjoyment, Intercontinental.
Hi guys, it's been a while. I'm here. Just a quick one. We're going out to some charity shops to get stuff. My mother-in-law will soon be going, so yeah, I'm just going around some stores to check out some things. And it's really cold. It's 0 degrees outside, sometimes -1. It's getting really cold nowadays, so you need to brace up. So we'll soon be out and about some shops. Afterwards we'll go for school run. Yeah, it's Christmas time. Look at how all these places are glowing. Look, they have so many beautiful things in there. It's the range. Teddy bear. Say hi. Hey. Ivana is so excited that she came out today. She said this one where she see road to come out. Let her come out though. Let's try this one first. Some warmth. Some warmth. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Let me see. Oh, it's nice. Hey, it's nice. It's school time and it's really frozen today. It's like -1 today. And the kids are going on a trip, or should I say KK is going on a class trip. So we're just walking off to school very early. And I think we are quite late. But then yeah, afterwards Grandma and I and Ivana will be going to the city center to do a few more shoppings before Grandma leaves, because Grandma is leaving in 2 days. So this is just like a first thing that we're doing in the morning, going to school. Yeah. You like? Ivana likes it. Oops. See this one. This one. Oh, slide, giant slide. I got buy it from up, then flow. Ooh. That first time I got a Newcastle. That was the first time I entered it. Yeah, where we are going. You like ice cream? You like you want everything now. Ivana, hi. Hi. Madakwana. See Christmas tree they were supposed to snap on that. Go and snap, go and stay now, let me snap you. Savannah. Madam, keep your sweet. Keep your sweet. When we come back, you hold it. Good. Hold grandma's hand. Hold grandma's hand. Huh? Come back in. Look at this really nice stuff here. Sana. Oh yeah. Did you notice when I've been videoing here?
Hey, bye.
Oh,
No,
see, Ivana, what are you doing? Is that where they are hugging somebody? Oh,
Hey.
Emma will miss you people badly.
Who's last?
But in the house with me, I've been thinking how I will stay in that upstairs.
You people will stay well. Mana, come. Let me come from the other side. Oh yeah, Bana, come out. Come, we are going to go and pick Daddy then, and then we'll go to Adana's house. Come here. Say bye to Grandma. Kiss Grandma now. Kiss Grandma goodbye. Mwah.
Bye.
Oh.
I'll see you, eh?
Bana, say bye. Say bye to Grandma.
Yeah.
You want to go where? Huh? Huh? You want to go where? See, they are going. Oh. Grandma has to go. Come and stay here so you see her going now. Come. It's okay. Grandma will be. You don't want to see her. You don't want to see Grandma going. It's okay. Sorry. Grandma's gone. I miss Grandma. Oh, miss Grandma. Let me get a good thumbnail.
Make sure that daddy's room on the chair.
I should make sure she's in your daddy's room on the chair.
Yes, you have.
You're missing her.
Yes, I'm so crying. I'm so sad.
You're so sad.
Yes, it's so good. I'm gonna so gone.
Oh, Grandma is so gone. Yeah.
Me too.
Oh, bless you, Ivana. You miss your grandma. Grandma is so gone.
Oh.
Grandma has gone to Nigeria.
Yeah. Yes.
Do you want Grandma to come back?
Yes.
Grandma will come and see you later, you hear?